Yes, voice crack after yesterday begin with Argentina.
You go share Eagle for Russia.
Forget the level we are to watch match for we are watching.
Be like say that World Cup they play yesterday. Because they get themselves. They come play like. In fact, the match surprised me as they play that match. Everybody come the
like since Messi no dey, Naija no show them where Messi sit down. We know. I tell you. Now Aguero now we still dey follow Waka to see how he level.
No, you don't even come up from hospital.
You know we still dey follow Waka
to
see say him play sharply for England. Anyway, we go give una the full gist of that match. The fans dey gbege the Cochito for Argentina say, oh boy, you fall with hand 4 times for international competition. We flog Shege for the body of the Super Eagles of Naija, but for today, after 2 goals, oga you sleep. You know they come up for here. And the NFF after that match, on top of that Tory, on top of the jollificate, come talk say Eagles nothing dey happen. We go enter one level anytime when I get match to take block any yamanama wey fit shele for World Cup. We go give una the gist on top that level. And President Muhammadu Buhari, oga Tuale, he don come say the Tigress, I promise una perform wonder. Oya make na dey collect awoof dey take join body.
Na so e be. And na that wetin James dey talk na on top bonus and agreement level wey dem don strike deal as dem go dey pay dem when World Cup reach. And the Cochito, Naija Cochito general don dey twale im players say, oh boy, twale my players, una dey totori me. Wetin you play for me yesterday, you hammer Argentina like say tomorrow no dey. We go yarn you very soon. All the time.
And make I run 440 enter Aso Rock o. At the side where I dey na President side Muhammadu Buhari, the papa for sport for Naija. Bros, you don come carry give o. Every promise wey bros take vomit the time wey the Tigress collect show shege for other basketball okpeke team for this Africa. He come talk say awoof dey ground wey go follow dem take join body as I dey yarn now when dem collect that title finish for the 2017 Afro Basket for Mali. Oga come say my children, oya make na dey go jolly, make na collect because una do us proud. Dey wave the flag, green white green flag. And who come open mouth for meet am the kakaki person wey dey carry advice give honourable sport minister Solomon Dalong Nneka and Nibeze. Na sister na him come talk am o. He say 1 million for all the players, each of them. The Cochito dem 500,000 na dem dey collect o for that wonder wey dem perform for Mali. And the oga vice president for the Nigerian Basketball Federation, Babs Ogunade, him to talk say Tuale the president, oga me, you get mouth.
Make we dey tell you for lawn tennis, Roger Federer for yesterday beat Alexander Zverev 7-6, 8-6, 5-7 and 6-1 to enter the semi-final of the ATP tournament for London. Also, Jack Sock beat Marin Cilic 5-7, 6-2, 7-6 and 7-4 for the other game.
And for another level for here for the basketball slam with dog game na Lagos na here dey before go come enter that fresh story wey be say shele for Russia yesterday, international padi match. I tell you, Kano Pillars for yesterday for Lagos flog Civil Defenders 92-91 for the FIBA Africa Zone 3 Men's Club Championship wey dey shele for National Stadium for Surulere for Lagos. And the competition na for the clubs dem o to take collect the 2 tickets wey be say dey grand so that they go fit waka enter the 2017 African Club Championship wey go shele for Angola for time wey no go too tey. And make we come do wetin time we enter football level.
And make we dey tell you, Super Eagles coach general don twale im player wey beat Argentina 4-1 for the padi game for Russia yesterday. He talk say, my boys, your performance, especially all the new comers, dey totori am wella, and e dey sure say dem go even improve on top that level. And make we dey tell you, talk say the performance of Naija players yesterday no mean say Naija fit win World Cup o, because that team, you see, dey package am to play better for World Cup. Meanwhile, Argentina player Angel Di Maria talk say, you see that Iheanacho free kick, na him change that man. As he play that free kick wey enter, na gbege na Soroko just carry them say this boy this thing e go change this game. Na so the game come change. Naija from 2-0 come hammer on them 2-1 2-2 3-2 4-2 wey enter end the game.
009868734 wetin we dey ask people time with this morning on top that match wey shele yesterday international padi match. Wetin we dey ask people how you take eye see the match after at least on top this level we don flog the giant for South America. We flog shege for dem body. Shey this level make we go sleep? We don get team wey be say go perform wonder. Shey make we no even send again since we don flog Argentina? How you take eye see the match? And after that match wey dem flog Argentina 4-2, the NFF dem don come package she don talk with the super eagle of Naija. Dem say nothing dey happen on top of Yalawi, on top of match bonus, on top of international padi match. Pepper go dey rest because wetin shele before now for the World Cup level no go shele again. Na im come dey make us dey package with una now say nothing dey happen. Capo for Naija. Mikel Obi come talk say NFF I twale for na because e na make sense.
Make we dey tell you Argentina striker King Aguero don comot for hospital after im faint for the padi match against Nigeria yesterday. Aguero wey score for the 36th minute for Yakata for the match and dem come rush am to the hospital. Argentina for dem Twitter account talk say nothing do the player as all the tests wey dem carry out show say the guy dey alright.
Hello. Make I tell you, after that 4-2 koboko wey Argentina collect, the fan come dey para. He say Cochito George Sampaio, oh boy, you fall with hand. We come this stadium come see as our team go flog Naija after we don flog them 4 times for competitive level. You come here come embarrass everybody with that long journey from Argentina reach Russia. Oh boy, you know they comot for here. Na so the fans come dey para up and down say Cochito you fall with hand. Who start to dey score for us? Kelechi score. I tell you they to score because before Alex Iwobi come hammer 2 goals wey come reach 4-2.
And Banega first score for Argentina before King Aguero come score the second goal wey be 2-2 before Kelechi score wonderful free kick wey Brian Idowu wey dey make im debut for the game come score the second goal before Iwobi come score 1-2.
Yes, sir.
Game.
Yes, sir. Hello, bros. We don't hear you. Hello. Morning, bros. Abeg, hala small. Okay, now Peter, how you take I see the match? Shey we don get you to flog others for World Cup? Bros, no vex. The thing we no hear you. Hello,
James.
morning, bros. Your name? Okay, now how you take I see that match with Argentina?
Yeah, it was a very interesting match anyway. People just come out after the second goal. I was very assured that the match is very okay, but it has to be mistake that Copa League.
Okay, now.
But the fact is that we should not start the judging yet. We are not yet. There are some errors committed that needed to be amended.
Okay, now.
We are not yet here. All we just need to do is to make sure we put our house in order to face the future task.
Okay, now.
And what we did at Nigeria.
Anyway, bros, don't make a point. You don't forget in mind. As the door still open, make anyway 1 person did it. Hello.
Hello, my brother. Good morning, sir.
Morning, bros. Your name?
I want to thank God for
your name, sir. Your name.
The only thing where I want you to say, make Coach Roy, make you do something for our area, make you find better goalkeeper.
Okay, now.
We are going to win the World Cup.
Amen.
We go reach that level.
Hello. Morning, bros. Your name?
Good morning, Nayo.
Now that here with Taiwo Fabaju.
My name is Prince Adesoya.
Okay, Prince. Oya, sharply time.
I'm the top of the world in happiness.
Okay, now.
And I want our Super Eagles to put more effort. They really played well. God bless you all.
Amen. Yes, sir. Hello.
Hello, good morning.
morning, bros. Your name?
My name is Osi from Abiola Way.
Okay, bros. Sharply. Your wait to your mind.
I like our performance. Germany, Brazil,
Okay.
Chile, and other markets.
Okay. Yes, so he said one Brazil too.
Now everybody won't play. Okay,
Make
you
them come collect
now
football.
this story go answer them question. Nigeria Football Federation don reveal say dem go select date for the other padi game wey dem dey line up for Super Eagles of Naija after the World Cup draw wey go shele for December 1 for Russia. The NFF second vice president Shehu Deko who yarn the matter talk say plenty country wan follow Naija Super Eagles play friendly game to take prepare for World Cup. E go also vomit say dem don dey shook eye enter two camp wey dem wan arrange for the Super Eagles team ahead of the World Cup for next year.
And as we dey comot for here, make I tell you, under international padi match after 90 minutes, Portugal dey lead draw soup with the United States of America na 1-1 na take end o. Another draw soup na for England wey the English national team lead draw soup with Brazil. Nobody score for back of net o. Australia dey flog Uruguay 2-1. Belgium dey flog Japan 1-0. Germany with France dey lead draw soup o. Na 2-2 na e take end. And one for Africa wey shele also Algeria wey dem no dey go World Cup for dem backyard, dem flog Central African Republic 3-0.
And as they make they congratulate them because dem be the latest country wey dey qualify for World Cup. Dem beat Northern Ireland 5-1 on aggregate. So na the latest country wey qualify. The remaining slot dem go play the match for South America for today.
And make I tell you, companies World Cup dey road o. May na enter, we dey for here, we dey deliver the program na Rock Sport. If na the first time wey you dey hear this for Rock City FM 101.9, we just take ceremony, then go sabi that your business everywhere wey breeze dey blow. We Rock City FM dey sell. Until tomorrow, I say, bye, Gary.
My name na Taiwo Fabaju. Enjoy your day.